Hello friends, I'm Esan from Bangalore Property. This is Lavish home number 47, a brand new independent premium house available for sale, located in BTM layout extension off Bannerghatta Road and Hosur Road, 30 by 40 A Khata site, 5000 square feet of super built up area, 30 feet tar road is there, and this gate is a sliding gate with remote operation, sensor based. Very clean locality, residential locality. Front landscaping is there. So as you can see, it's a sliding gate. Ground floor has a space for 3 cars. There is a office room and one common bathroom. Cauvery water already connected. 16,000 liters sump capacity. 2,000 liters overhead tank. Central lift is there. Stainless steel cabin. Automatic. 16 by 16 anti-skid flooring for the parking area. And right round safety grille is provided. So here you have glass and stainless steel railing for the external staircase. Many unique features are there in this property. 11.5 feet high ceiling, 8 feet all doors, door frames. So roof height is 11.5 feet. East facing main door, right in the northeast corner. Site is south facing, door is east facing, 100% planned as per Vaastu. Italian marble flooring. So this is the living room. Chandeliers. These fans are also included. Bluetooth and remote controlled fans. So this is living room. TV unit with paneling work. West facing puja room, all veneer polished and stone work. You can see the marble border with copper beading, glass door and translucent marble for the backdrop with backlighting. It's a single family house with 3 main bedrooms. There is a home theater on the terrace floor, 3 car parking and home office. On this floor you have living, dining, kitchen, puja room, utility is there, bedroom and one common bathroom. Southeast corner you have this kitchen with parallel platform. Galaxy granite platform is given. Wall tiles, all soft closing baskets. Utility area is also there, roadside facing. Teak wood doors and windows. All internal doors, windows, complete teak wood. So that was the utility area. For the kitchen, copper gas pipeline is given from the parking. Below the step storage is made. So this is a lift, 4 passenger capacity, automatic lift. Parking, first, second, third floor, landing is given. So this floor you have a bedroom in the southwest corner, roadside facing. All the bedrooms also having marble flooring. High ceiling, as I mentioned earlier, 11.5 feet. Accordingly, the storage space increases within the wardrobe. You can see this is a very tall unit. Sliding door. Premium laminates have been used. And there is a provision for pressure pump, water softener, UPS point. This is common bathroom here, right next to the bedroom. Jaguar brand and Hindware brand fittings will be provided in the bathrooms. All these lights, chandeliers, fans is included. Solar water heater is going to be provided. Also there are some artwork, decorative paintings which are pending. We have reached the second floor. Second floor you can see beautiful decoration has been done, and one of the wall you will have copper paneling work which is pending. It is part of the deal. Lift landing and family hall here. 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms and 1 balcony. So this is master bedroom in the southwest corner, roadside facing. Custom size windows for good ventilation, wardrobe, sliding door, and complete one side wall paneling with TV unit. Dressing unit is there, mirror is yet to be installed. So this is the dressing unit. You have a balcony roadside facing with glass railing, and this is the bathroom. Here you have shower area with the body jet showers. Partition can be added, and this is the third bedroom with attached bathroom. And here you have a concealed hidden walk-in closet with attached bathroom. Full body mirror will be installed. Brand new property, as you can see, final works are going on. Another 20 to 30 days of work is pending. It will be handed over with complete fittings in the bathroom, final coat of painting and all the small pending works. 5,000 square feet of super built up area. Residential locality, all amenities are there within walkable distance, and there is a upcoming metro station just 2.5 kilometers away. From Silk Board Junction it is 5 kilometers, and from IIMB 3 kilometers. Now we are looking at the third floor. Third floor you have a family hall in the center. This is family hall, and there is a home theater which can be used as a fourth bedroom. Lift reaches till here. Terrace area is there with canopy. So this is the home theater. It's planned like home theater. If needed, you can convert this into additional bedroom. Ceiling with LED lighting. Balcony. All the wirings are done. Here you have a common bathroom. Laundry area is there. Toilet, separate bathroom, and washing machine point. This is the terrace area covered with Bangalore tiles, anti-skid flooring. Here also you have a laundry space. Further steps are given to reach the terrace on top. 2000 liters overhead tank is there. Solar water heater, solar panels are going to be installed, included. BTM side we have very few options. So this is one of these new houses. Majority of the options we have towards JP Nagar, Banshankari side. BTM side, this Lavish Home 47 has come for sale now. Very good option. Mainly for those working in Kormangla, HSR, Electronic City, accessible location. So this is a retractable steps. When not in use, you can attach it to the wall. And here you have the terrace area. Skylight towards the staircase. And right in the southwest corner, you have a headroom. Overhead tank is kept. Now we are on the ground floor. Let me show you this office space. That is Cauvery water, already meter is installed. So this is a office space. Outside there is a common toilet. All the details are mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.